Hello guys, it's me again, Carl. So we're gonna install Windows XP on Virtualbox. So what are we waiting for? First, we should have an installation disk like this, Windows XP Pro 64-bit. For the requirement for that in order to run is this for the CPU times 86 to 64-bit compatible CPU. For the memory, 256 MB of RAM. For free space, at least 1.5 gigabyte. For the media, you should have a CD-ROM drive. For display, you should have a resolution of 800 by 600. For the hardware, the sound card plus speaker headphones. For the input device, you must have a keyboard and mouse. So we're gonna open VirtualBox. We will create a new virtual machine. We will rename it Windows XP Pro 64-bit. So we're gonna choose Windows XP 64-bit. We'll click next. I'm gonna adjust the RAM for 1024 so it will load fast. Next, next. I'm gonna use 15 gigabyte of virtual hard disk. Okay. So after creating virtual hard disk, you can click settings. You can adjust some system in order to load faster your virtual machine. So I'm gonna adjust. So here in storage, I'm gonna choose this empty disk, and I will choose the Windows XP installation disk. So I click OK. So I'm gonna click start in order the Windows XP will start installing. So Windows XP. So click enter, enter again. Then click F8. Then we're gonna click C for creating a partition. Then enter. Now we're created the partition. We will choose this partition 1. Then we will choose we will format it. Click enter again. The virtual hard disk is now formatting. So now Windows XP is now copying files in the hard disk.
A few moments later.
So we're already here at the fourth path.
A few moments later.
So we're here. We're almost finished. So we're gonna click next. We were giving the name of the computer. So I'm gonna type my name, Carl. My next. So we need the product key here. So I'm gonna type my product key. So after typing my product key, we're here. I'm gonna set up my computer name. So password, leave it blank. If you don't want to have password, click next. We will click, we'll adjust some our time. Beijing, click next. So we're almost done.
20 minutes later.
So after waiting for about 20 minutes, the Windows XP is now installed in our virtual machine. So it works properly, as you can see. So that's it. That's all for today. So thank you guys.